Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's sending shockwaves through North America. The US auto industry is under serious threat. But this time, the attacker isn't coming from Asia or Europe. It's our friendly neighbor to the north, Canada. What does this mean for American automakers like Ford, General Motors, and Tesla? Prices are set to skyrocket, and thousands of American jobs are on the line. So grab a seat, because we're about to break down how Canada is striking back and what it could mean for all of us. Let's rev up. In response to the United States' whopping 25% tariff on key Canadian exports, Canada retaliated with targeted tariffs of its own. Instead of a broad approach, Canada pinpointed economically important sectors, including our beloved auto industry. The impact on Tesla and EVs. Now, let's focus on Tesla, the crown jewel of American manufacturing innovation. This electric vehicle giant is caught in the crossfire, sourcing critical materials like nickel, lithium, and aluminum from Canadian suppliers. But with Canada's new tariffs in play, Tesla's supply chain is on the brink of collapse. What does this mean? Production costs are skyrocketing. Tesla may have to either raise vehicle prices or, worse yet, cut production entirely. Investors are already sweating bullets as Tesla's stock sees sharp fluctuations. And it's not just them. Ford, General Motors, and Rivian are right in the fray too. The broader auto industry crisis. It's not just Tesla feeling the heat. The entire North American auto supply chain is unraveling. For decades, American manufacturing has thrived with seamless tariff-free trade between the US and Canada. But now, with new tariffs, automakers are scrambling. We've seen Ford announce potential layoffs, while General Motors has slowed output in various facilities due to supply chain bottlenecks. The stakes are enormous. Major fears are surrounding factory closures and job losses across the board. The political fallout. And when we delve into the political arena, it gets even messier. This trade war isn't just about economics. It's become a hot political issue that could shape the upcoming elections. Donald Trump's protectionist policies are now under the microscope, especially in critical swing states where factories were expected to be hiring, not laying off workers. The potential energy leverage. But hold on, Canada is holding another trump card, its energy resources. If the trade dispute escalates, Canada could potentially weaponize its energy exports. Nearly 50% of US oil imports come from Canada, and if that flow is disrupted, we're looking at skyrocketing gasoline prices, severe inflation, and widespread economic chaos. Global repercussions. And don't think this is just a bilateral issue. The global economic reverberations are beginning to surface, with countries like China eyeing the opportunity to form stronger trade ties with Canada. If Canada leans into those partnerships, the US could permanently lose access to crucial resources. What's more, as uncertainty grows, emerging economies are seizing the chance to fill voids left by disrupted North American trade. This could mean billions lost for American businesses as global markets shift. The human impact. But the harshest impacts of this trade war are on everyday consumers. As costs rise, thanks to tariffs, the American dream of car ownership could slip away for many. New and used car prices are climbing higher, leaving consumers in a pinch as inflation and economic instability loom large. This is not just an economic inconvenience. It's a financial crisis for millions. Households are struggling. And if this trade war doesn't de-escalate soon, we may face one of the worst cost of living crises in modern history. As we wrap up today's discussion, it's clear that the stakes have never been higher for the US auto industry and the broader economy. Will Canada's strategic maneuver backfire on the US? Or is this a bold stand for trade equality? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think America can pull itself back from the brink? Or are we witnessing the start of a long-term economic decline? Let's keep this conversation going. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this unfolding situation. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.